Hey, welcome back to my channel. New alternator replacement for Honda Accord DX. Specifications: 80 amp 12 volt, CCW, 6 groove pulley design, IRF voltage, 12 amperage, 80 rotation, Q pulley class, S6 feature 1, 100% top rated, compatible with or replacement for Honda Accord L4 2.3 L98-02, compatible with or replacement for Acura CLL4 2.3 L98-99. Brand new, manufactured with new premium quality components. Engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. All items tested for reliability, durability, and performance. 1-year hassle-free guarantee. See for fitment chart. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.